Okay, hosepipe challenge, go. Come on in, let's see you go.
I'll beat you.
Oh. Good start, look at that natural curl. You watching here, Jay?
I want an attempt on my own.
Oh, he's good. About 15 seconds. Oh, it's looking good. Oh. Quick, he didn't have the bag to hand. Oh, get it in. Oh, he's going apart. Oh. Is he in? Is he in?
No.
35 seconds. Oh, even the cat's cheering you on.
No.
The cat. Oh, he's all coming apart. He's going pear-shaped. He's nearly there. Oh, the cat's involved.
Oh, mate, you messed that up. I know.
Oh, he was doing so well. Oh no, the elephant trunk's hanging out.